Here we are, January 20th, at the front door. We're going to just step outside and get a look at the snow that's just starting to blow in here now. Coming in on a high wind. Decent snow. I call it moderate right now. We're expecting a significant snowfall, at times downbursts this afternoon with possible, and tonight with possible thunder snow, which is when you get thunder and lightning and it's snowing. It can come down 3, 4, 5 inches an hour for brief periods of time, sometimes even more. Checking out, we're looking up at the sky. I don't know how much you can see, but flakes are getting bigger. More juice to this baby. Looking out to the neighbors. Trees are slowly getting the snow covered. Skiing's been tough this week. High winds blowing down the upper mountain. Chairlifts are hard to run. But people I've been talking to say the conditions are getting better and better every day. And when it breaks by Friday, we'll all be out there. Oh, yeah. We do have some big trees here at Tahoe. January 20th, 2010. Carnelian Bay snowstorm.